Happiness everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Leah Acebuche. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will get updated on my latest video. Maraming salamat po! One of the salads in this part of the world that we learned to eat is Fattoush Salad. Alam ko maraming nakakamiss niyan sa atin itong Fattoush Salad. So I thought of making this one also para naman pagdating dyan sa mga tahanan natin, magawa rin natin itong Fattoush Salad. Simple lang naman yung mga ingredients and for sure makukuha natin to sa ating mga groceries. Fattoush salad is actually originated from Lebanon and Armenia. Itong Fattoush salad na to is part of the Arabic meals lagi. Na naging favorite ko na rin. I was attracted with it because of the khubooz. Gina-garnish nila ito with fried khubooz. And nung una, hindi kasi ako masyadong mahilig sa gulay. Pero when I saw this fried khubooz over it, from there, na-attract na rin akong kainin itong Fattoush salad, which it is very healthy and recommended for us to eat kasi may mga capsicum siya or bell pepper which is good for the heart. So let us prepare this healthy salad and make it part of our everyday meal too. Yung mga leftovers yung mga pita bread or khubooz, you can just put it in the fridge or in the freezer. Saka nyo siya gawing toppings ng fattoush. There you go. This is my simple Fattoush salad. You may find that the other ingredients na normally nilalagay ng mga Arabs, like tahini, hindi ko siya nalagyan. So, ganyan lang, plain lang siya. So, if ever you want to add some tahini, you can add it also. Pero this is my simple Fattoush salad. If you like this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button po. Maraming salamat. So, stay blessed, stay healthy. Happiness everyone!